Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we review the latest beauty tools and products to make sure you're getting the most out of your grooming routine. Today, we're diving into a barber's dream kit, the Supreme Trimmer 3-in-1 Barber Bundle. This set includes the 2-speed clipper, 2-speed trimmer, and the Crunch foil shaver. Whether you're looking to trim, shape, or shave, this all-in-one package promises to offer professional quality results right in your own home. Let's break down the details and see if it really delivers on its promises. Starting with the essentials, this 3-in-1 bundle is designed for both professionals and everyday users. The clipper comes equipped with a taper blade and a ceramic moving blade, ideal for smooth cutting and blending. It also features a detachable blade system for easy cleaning and blade changes. The trimmer, on the other hand, has a steel, deep-toothed T-blade that's perfect for precise lining and styling. So if you're someone who needs versatility, this kit seems to check all the right boxes. Now let's talk about performance. I've had a chance to use this set for a few weeks, and I'll start with the 2-speed clipper. The motor has 2 speeds, giving you more control depending on the thickness of the hair you're cutting. The long-lasting battery is a huge plus here. I was able to get through multiple haircuts without needing to recharge, and the battery display keeps you informed on how much juice is left. No more surprises halfway through your trim. The clipper itself is well-designed and easy to maneuver, even for those tricky spots around the ears and neck. When it comes to the 2-speed trimmer, it's clear that precision was top of mind. The T-blade provides clean lines for shaping beards or edging sideburns, and the deep-tooth design means it can handle both finer and thicker hair types. I didn't experience any tugging or discomfort, which is always a good sign in a trimmer. The Crunch foil shaver is definitely the star of the show here, with its ability to run for up to 150 minutes of cordless use. That's about 3 times longer than some other shavers on the market. You can also use it corded, which is a nice option if you're looking to keep the power going without worrying about charging. The shaver leaves a super smooth finish, perfect for anyone looking to achieve a clean, close shave without irritation. In terms of build quality, everything in this kit feels solid. The clipper lever, which features a 5-level smooth lever system, offers a really user-friendly operation, making it easy to adjust while working. Whether you're cutting, trimming, or shaving, the design is intuitive, and I found that the entire system works well together for seamless results. However, no product is without its flaws. The only thing I noticed is that the clipper can feel a little bulky for users with smaller hands. If you're looking for something ultra lightweight, this might not be the most comfortable fit for you. Also, while the shaver has impressive battery life, it does take a while to fully charge, so if you're in a rush, you may need to plan ahead. When we talk about value for money, I think this kit offers solid performance for its price. Considering the quality of the clipper and trimmer, as well as the long battery life, it's definitely a good investment for those serious about their grooming routine. Sure, you might find cheaper alternatives, but you won't get the same level of battery life, precision, and the professional-grade results this bundle delivers. Speaking of alternatives, there are certainly options out there in the same price range, but this particular bundle stands out for its comprehensive offering. You'd need to buy several different tools from other brands to match the functionality of this one kit. So while it's a little pricier, you're getting more value in the long run. In terms of customer support, the brand offers a reliable team ready to answer questions between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. PST. So if you run into any issues or need guidance, you won't be left hanging. The customer service team is responsive, and they're available to ensure your experience is as smooth as possible. To wrap things up, this Supreme Trimmer 3-in-1 Barber Bundle is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile, high-performance grooming kit. It's especially great for those who want professional quality tools that can handle everything from haircuts to precise beard trims to a close shave. If you're a regular at-home groomer or even a professional, this bundle has everything you need in one place. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching today's review. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.